Hey everyone, this is Manik from Northland Nissan in Prince George, and today I'm going to do a quick walk around video on this 2014 Nissan X-Terra. And this one is a Pro-4X that's very rare to find, and this one comes with manual transmission. Let me show you the interiors on this one. That comes loaded with a RockFord Premium sound system, inbuilt navigation, and you also have the backup camera. Heated seats, and that's your 4x4 engager over here. Just about 100,000 kilometers on this one. Let's go at the back seat. Look at that, how much space do you have? That's pretty roomy for an X-Terra. Comes loaded with winter tires. These are studded winter tires, and these are almost brand new. Let me show you the trunk. How much space do we have over here? Look at that. And these are 60-40 split seats, so you can split them down one way or the other and have more cargo space. So that's a 2014 Nissan X-Terra Pro-4X. That's one of our top of line editions. So you have the fancy alloy wheels on this one too. These are big winter tires, and these are also studded too. So if you want to come down to our dealership and take this for a test drive, give me a call at 778-890-5544. That's a 778-890-5544. And thank you for watching this video. This was Manik from Northland Nissan.